Hey Umadat, my name is Mo. I'm with MarkNative. I've been made aware by my team member that you are interested in getting a free audit of your website done. So let's dive right in. Hopefully you get massive value out of this. These are the same techniques that we are using with all of our clients, okay? And it has been proven successful. So starting off, very first thing I see on your website is the not secure button over here. So you definitely want to look into getting an SSL certificate so your website is secure and all of the informations are encrypted, right? Definitely nice choice of colors. Really liking this. Website looks great. Um, I'm also noticing that you have a CTA button over here, which is a call to action button. Um, the one suggestion that I would make is definitely you want this to move up over here somewhere in the middle and possibly throwing in a phone number as well, right? So a lot of users will find it much easier to just make the quick call and just book an appointment or ask for a quote, right? Only if you actually running your business that way. So moving on, I would like to jump on is content. Okay, so I'm noticing that your content on your website is very minimal at the moment. Um, you'd want to definitely bump up the number of contents that you have here. Google ideally would like to see at least 1,500 keywords on your home page. Okay, so the reason for at least 1,500, it's because when Google bot is crawling your website, it is looking for relevant keywords, right? Buyer intent keywords. I always suggest that everyone that also builds a website, especially business website, right? You use buyer intent keywords. Buyer intent keywords such as, let's say, for your industry, it will be, let's say, electricians in Queens, Queens electricians in New York, for example, right? I know those keywords are getting 100 to 150 searches per month, and they're relatively easy to actually rank for. Okay, so that's one of the main reasons why you want to have lots of content and you want to have relevant keywords. So Google can actually find those keywords and display your website right in front of the user's eyes. Okay. Moving on, you want to look into citations. Okay, what are citations? Citations are, to put into simple words, is how many times you are appearing on page directories. Page directories such as Yelp.com, Home Advisors, Angie's List, right? The more you appear on page directories, the higher you will rank on this page listing, right? It's Google page listings here. I see that you're on the third over here when I look into specifically Richmond Hills. But if I look into Queens, right? Definitely you're not here on the top three and you're not in the organic listing either. Okay, so you may want to consider bumping up the number of citations, right? I suggest that you have at least 400 to 500 citations. Okay, so that will definitely help you move up and basically dominate over Queens. Okay, so that's citations. If we jump in to backlinks, okay, so this is a pretty nifty tool that we use called Hrefs. Okay, it gives us very accurate data in terms of how a site is performing in the back end. Okay, so because on the just looking at the website alone, right over here, we're not able to tell how it actually performing, where it is ranking at the moment on Google. So that's why tools like this comes in really handy. This is what we're using for all of our clients. If I could have your attention right here, organic keywords, you're actually ranking for 5 organic keywords, and these are right here: PS 184Q, 184, IS 73. This actually looks like school names, right? Yeah. So these are definitely not relevant keywords to your niche, to your industry, and to your company altogether. Coming back to backlinks, okay, you have 16. That's very low number of backlinks. It is not always about quantity, but it is about quality of the backlinks. Okay. What are backlinks? So backlinks is basically other websites that's sharing a link to your website. Okay. So there are other websites out there that, linking to your website. They're sharing a link of your website on their websites, right? To put into simple words, you do not have any UR data or DR. Okay, UR is the measurement of the quality of the links on a specific page on your website, whereas the DR is the quality of the measurement of those links in the overall domain of your website. Okay, DR, in other words, is domain authority, how authoritative your website is. So the more quality links you get from other quality websites, you will have this data show up and you will be in a much better place. Okay, UR and DR actually, it's a scale from 1 through 100. Okay, so the higher you are, the more relevant Google will find you, and it will rank you on the search page of Google. Okay, so that is backlinks for you. So what I've done is I've looked into competitors as well. So if I look into only Richmond Hill, Queens, mind you, I'm just kind of zoning into your area only. This guy right here, he is ranking at number 1 in terms of the map listing, okay? But he is not ranking organically. You always want to aim for ranking organically because you do not want to pay for ads, as you could see, sponsored, right? Because one, that's costly, and how long can you run ads for, right? So organically will actually save you money, lots of money actually, in the long run. So that's why, we always suggest look into actually getting SEO done. So I have looked into South Richmond Hill Electric. I would like to share with you as well their website. Okay, as you can see, they barely have any content. All right, they did not even remove business outside. That's not professional at all. Okay, so let's see if we could get some data on them. All right, you see, like their ranking, they barely have any content. Okay, they have only one keyword that they're ranking for, Richmond Hill electrician, and that too they're at number 85. Okay, this keyword over here is getting 20 searches per month. KD means keyword difficulty, and it's a scale from 1 through 100. It's at 0. That means it's super easy to rank for. Now, as I mentioned before, there are lots of other keywords such as electricians in Queens, electrician, right? So I would like to show you another company that's ranking for Queens. Let me just remove this and look at Queens. Okay, like this guy's here. See, they have good number of content here. All right, so let's plug them into Href and see how they're doing. All right, so here we are. So Queens NY electrician, they're at 29 for power backlinks on specific pages. For the overall site, their domain authority is 4.1 out of 100. So you could imagine like how easy it is to beat this number here, right? So they only have 141 backlinks, and they're ranking for 89 organic keywords. Okay, so let's look into this keyword, for example. They're in #1 position. Volume is 150. That means there are people out there that are searching for Queen's electrician 150 times. And these guys over here at Queens NY Electrician, they're getting 53 of those clicks going to their website. And the keyword difficulty is only 3 out of 100. Okay, very easy to rank for this website, right? So ideally, what we have seen on average with our customers and clients is that you could expect to capture about 30 to 40% of the overall volume searches if you are on the first page. That's why it's so crucial to be on the first page of Google, right? So if you're getting at least 30 to 40% of 150 volume searches or 100, so that's about 30 to 50 clicks on your website. And if you're converting, let's say even at 10%, that's 3 to 5 customers per month. Okay, so these are the potentials that are there for digital marketing, right? So yeah, so just to recap on that, it's I went over content, so you want at least 1,500 words on your website, on your homepage specifically, and you want to look into citations, right? So citations will help you rank on the map listings organically. You want to look into bumping up your backlinks, get quality links. Okay, so those are the factors that will definitely help you rank much higher and show up on the front page of Google using the right keywords, and some of the keywords like such as these here with these organic searches, right? So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you. I would love to hear back from you with any feedback for us. It's always helpful when clients they reach out back to us, just share their opinion, share their feedback. Always helpful for us. If you would like to learn more about it, or if you would like to possibly even work with us, you could always give me a call. I could be reached on the number that I'll be attaching within an email. So yeah, have a good one. Thank you. It was a pleasure.